Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to add music to your Google site. Yeah, Google Sites doesn't have a built-in music button, but there is a simple workaround that still works in 2026. So let's jump in. First, open the site you want to edit. If you're logged into your Google account, you'll see all your sites lined up. Just click the one you want. Now, since Google Sites doesn't upload audio directly, you need your music hosted somewhere. You can use Google Drive, YouTube, or any direct audio link. Most people pick Google Drive because it's simple. Before you add the music to your site, make sure the audio file is viewable by anyone. Right-click it, open the sharing panel, and set it to anyone with the link can view. If you skip this step, the audio won't play for visitors, so yeah, double check it. Head back to Google Sites and look at the Insert panel on the right. Click Embed, then paste the link to your audio file. Google Sites will load it as a playable audio frame. You can resize the audio player, move it around, or center it on the page, whatever fits your layout. It won't autoplay though because browsers block autoplay for audio. Visitors have to click play manually. When you're done, hit the Publish button at the top. Then refresh your live site and test the audio. If it plays for you, it's good for everyone. And that's it. You now have music on your Google site using the simplest method available in 2026. If this helped you out, yeah, remember to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.